Hello, it's Tuesday, December 13, and I'm Natalie Woods with your UFX Markets Daily News. The dollar gained versus most majors as risk aversion rose after Friday's summit failure to create decisive steps to end the spreading debt crisis in Europe. Stocks fell as the Nasdaq dropped by 1.31% and the Dow Jones by 1.34%. Crude oil declined by 1.54%, closing at $97.80 a barrel. Gold dropped by 2.85%, closing at $1,663.90 an ounce. The euro fell versus the dollar. The momentum of the euro-dollar is bearish, and the pair broke below its lowest level in 2 months, but reached oversold RCI conditions on the 4-hour charts. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 1.3160 and with a high of 1.3377. The euro-dollar last traded at 1.3170. The British pound declined versus the dollar as risk aversion grew following concerns that more credit ratings are on the way from Moody's and S&P. The UK's attempt to separate itself from the spreading debt crisis in Europe are still failing as the crisis turns global. The pound dollar broke below support level of 1.5570 but gained back above this level. If the pair remains above this level, it will likely advance towards 1.5750. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 1.5537 and a high of 1.5657. The pound dollar last traded at 1.5585. The yen declined versus the dollar and gained versus most other majors as risk aversion rose and investors seek haven from the spreading debt crisis. Technically, the US dollar-Japanese yen might be forming a bullish cup and handle pattern, which will be completed if the pair breaks above 78.30. The US dollar-Japanese yen last traded at 77.90. The Canadian dollar fell versus the US dollar as risk aversion rose following Moody's announcement, and the negative sentiment in markets made investors turn away from high-yielding assets. US dollar CAD will continue being bullish as long as it is above the support level at 1.02. The US dollar CAD last traded at 1.0270. Thank you for joining us today. For more information, please visit us at ufxmarkets.com for all your online trading needs. I'm Natalie Woods, wishing you a happy trading.